Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very strong. Don't be smart, no say a lot of people don't they ask wetin happen, why the lawyers have not seen Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. They say one of the lawyers don't come outside come tell us that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is very strong. As he stand right now, he said that he see this Biafra restoration that is not negotiable. If they like, maybe they hold am, but at the end Biafra will come. For most of una wey don lose focus for inside this Biafra struggle, let me tell you people, now you do yourself. They say follow who no road, they say no be who no road they wan follow. You leave your leader, you no wan talk again for the release of your leader. My people, na yourself you do. However, let me bring this video come for you, may you watch and how it dey happen as we stand right now, because a lot of people don dey ask us, oga balaba, so you know they talk about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wetin happen? We never hear anything. Now hear the latest details of wetin dey happen this January. Just here, watch this video and make sure say they share the video as they happen.
My people, this is the Federal High Court, Abuja, where Nnamdi Kanu is facing, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is facing trial. And Nnamdi Kanu applied that the judge should recuse herself because of bias. And since then, the judge ordered and rescued herself from handling the matter. So, and getting to 1 year now, one expected that the CJ of Federal High Court, as a matter of urgency, should have reassigned the case to another judge. But up to now, nothing has happened. And we expected Attorney General, the Minister of Justice, who came and said that Nnamdi Kanu has a case to answer, to come, if they actually have a case before against Nnamdi Kanu, to come with to come and make the application to ensure that the matter is being reassigned. But that they never did. But on our own, we are the defense team. We have applied that the matter should be reassigned. And after seeing Nnamdi Kanu, I went to see him today. That is 8th day of January 2025. So he's hell and hearty and committed to his struggle. So I'm ready to face the trial. That one is on that. Attorney General that has been going around saying that they have we expected them to apply to ensure that the matter was being reassigned so as to get a date, so that the matter will be had accelerated, will be given an accelerated hearing. But now nothing has happened. So we have applied, believing that the CJ will reassign the matter. On the other hand, when I just came by, I've been in the southeast for the past 2 weeks for Christmas and New Year's celebration. I had some people asking what is Ohaneze, the land that Ohaneze, Ndibo, the Igbo political leaders, they are not doing anything. Both the Igbo political leaders, the Igbo religious leaders, Igbo traditional leaders, they are not doing anything with respect to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's matter. Anybody who is believing that they are not doing anything. Okay, now they said that they are looking to go and visit President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. But the president went to the southeast, where everybody, all the meaning members of the southeast, the people of the Igbos, we expected the political leaders, the religious leaders, the traditional rulers to organize themselves and use that opportunity to present and make a demand, a firm demand from the president with a letter telling the president that the New Year gift you can give to the people of Southeast, the New Year gift you can give to the people of the Igbos is to unconditionally release Nnamdi Kanu and allow him to continue with his agitation. But that they never did. They went that place and praising the president, giving him title, praising him, even the ones that he never expected. I'm talking about eye-servicemen. I heard them saying, so these are the things so anybody who is saying, I learned that one always said that they're trying to secure appointment, get a date with the President Ahmed Bola Tinubu for them to come and pay him because visit. But he visited them. He was in Enugu. Everybody was watching them. They never did anything. They said that they are commissioning project. Project for who? The people of Southeast that are not happy, whose business has been destroyed as a result of sit at home, who are not happy because their son, who never committed anything, who is just a freedom fighter, is being incarcerated simply because he's from the Igbos. The criminals that are committed, obvious case, everybody know, are busy moving around freely. So what are we talking about? So they know that they don't have any case against Nnamdi Kanu. That's why they are running away from trial. That's why they refuse to come and make sure that the matter is being reassigned. So it's rather unfortunate. So that's why the update we want to. So anybody, if you are Igbos, you know how to pray, you can pray. You know what you can do, just to ensure that Nnamdi Kanu regain his freedom and continue with his agitation for self-determination and for the government to address all those issues that marginalize the people of the Igbos. So that is why we are in court. We believe that now that Netanyahu has made an order recusing herself, that order is still subsisting, is still in force. He has no the only authority that can set aside that order recusing herself is Court of Appeal and nothing more. I'll keep you posted. Thanks and God bless you. Maxwell Opera is my name. A Lego team, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. Don't forget to see there for Balabas Gist. Here, where would they bring you Ogbonge news as it did happen? My people, I want you to share this video and also type congratulations because Biafra will surely come. Biafra will surely come. The most important thing is who is the leader and what are the leader doing? Are the leader betrayer? Are the leader a sellout? If the leader is not a sellout, he is ready to sacrifice. That means what you are looking for will definitely come. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is truly a leader because he can call, hey, look, let's cut day. Maybe I know how to get myself out of this. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu still stand today in DSS custody. Depend the whole condition, he's still standing. That shows that he is a true leader. Now people, share this video